Hi guys, Mrs. Stanton here. We're going to go over the Chapter 12 review. Oh, Ziggy wants to say hi to you all. Here you go, Zig. Say hi, everybody. Say hi, friends. Oh, he's giving you kisses, friends. All right, so we're going to go over Chapter 12 review. This video is going to go over the first page. It looks like this. All right, so let's go. Okay, so we have... How many pairs of mittens did Ms. Morgan's class collect? So we always have to look at our key. We see our key is 5. So each mitten represents 5. Mrs. Morgan has 4 mittens. So that would be 4 times 5 is 20. So Mrs. Morgan's class collected 20 mittens or 20 pairs of mittens. Number 2, which class collected the fewest number? Well, for that, you just have to look at which picture has the least amount of symbols. That would be Miss Sellers' class. Make sure you said Miss Sellers' class, not 5, because it doesn't ask how many are the fewest. It asks which class. Number 3, how many... Oh, hi, Zig. Ziggy... Oh, no. Ziggy's trying to eat our math book. Hi.
Hey, babe.
Oh, okay. All right, so number 3 says, how many pairs of mittens did the students in all 3 classes collect? There are 10 symbols. Each one represents 5, so that would be 50 pair. Number 4, Ms. Cutler's class collected 10 pairs of mittens. How many symbols would you add? So each symbol is worth 5, and 10 pairs then would be 2 symbols. 10 divided by 5. Number 5, how many more pairs of mittens did Ms. Mendez's class collect than Ms. Morgan's? Remember when we see how many more, that means subtraction. So we want to take how many Mrs. Mendez's class collected, which is 25, minus how many Mrs. Morgan's class collected, which is 20, and that would give us 5. The other way you could do that is you could see that there is one more symbol in Mrs. Mendez's class, and that it counts as 5, so that's another way you could tell that it's 5. And number 6, how many fewer pairs of mittens did Ms. Sellers' class collect than Ms. Morgan's class? So you would take Ms. Morgan's class collected 20 pair minus Ms. Sellers' class collected 5 pair, and that would be 15 pair. Okay, so the next part goes along with this chart, this tally chart. Remember that group with the slash across and diagonal is worth 5. So it says, what is the height of the tallest bar on the graph? That would be 7. What bar on the graph is the tallest? That would be bubbles because it has the most tally marks. Which 2 bars on the graph have the same height? That would be stickers and toys because they have the same number. How many more students chose stickers than puzzles? That would be stickers, 5, minus puzzles, 2. That would be 3 students. And finally, pencils are given as prizes, but they are not shown on the chart. 2 more students chose pencils than chose puzzles. So we know that 2 chose puzzles. 2 more than that chose pencils. So we would take the 2 plus 2 more is 4. All right, I'm going to show you the board with the answers. Notice. What do you notice? We got color now. All right, guys, that's part 1. I'll be back with part 2.